Welcome back. We've got our good friend Charlene Patton here all the way from Topeka, Kansas with the Kansas Soybean Commission, here to teach us how to make blueberry oatmeal muffins. It is National Breakfast Month. So good morning to you. Thank you so much for being with us. So tell me about today's recipe.
This is really one of my favorite recipes from the Soybean Commission. You know, muffins are a great recipe if you've got kids in the kitchen. It's easy for them to make, and they're so nutritious, but you know, you can have a muffin anytime of day. Breakfast and after school snack. And I did want to say, as a bonus, if anyone's going to the Kansas State Fair later today, I will be demonstrating in the Domestic Arts Building at 11:30 today. We'll be making this recipe, but 2 more recipes, and giving away lots of goodies. So
if you're going,
that's
go visit Charlene.
Come see me and say hello. So we have the soy flour blend in here, and we have the recipe for that in this recipe. But it's 7 cups of flour. We always said that goes with KOAM, doesn't it? 7 cups with 1 cup of the soy flour. Mix that together, put that in your flour canister, and you can use that for anything.
Fantastic.
So you're getting the benefits of the soy. So I'm going to do the dry ingredients, but I'm going to have you go ahead and do the wet ingredients. So this is kind of a 2-part recipe. You have vegetable oil that we'll add in there, and with vegetable oil, the only ingredient in there is soybeans. And then we have 1 egg, and then we have some soy milk that we're going to add in there, and you're going to whisk that together. So with our flour, I have a cup of oatmeal, and I'm going to just mix that together. I have some baking soda, baking powder, and a little bit of salt that we're going to add into this, and then a half a cup of brown sugar.
Fantastic.
We'll just mint that, and that gives us a little bit of sweetness in here.
Very hearty muffin.
It is. Then with the grains of the soy, with the flour and the oatmeal, you're right, makes it very healthy. Now I'm doing 1 cup of blueberries. And I want to show you these blueberries. Look how huge they are.
They're beautiful.
So you can use large blueberries, but if you want more blueberries in there,
and who doesn't want that?
You might want to use a little bit smaller one, and you'll have them in every bite. I like to add the blueberries now because then they kind of coat with the flour and separate. Now you can add your liquid ingredients. Perfect.
There we go.
And if you have your kids in the kitchen that they're helping with this, one of the things to teach them with the muffins is to only stir this until you don't see any flour.
You don't want to overmix.
You don't want to overmix the muffins. That makes the tunnels in them and makes them a little bit tough. So that's how to make a good muffin. So as soon as you don't see any flour, then we want to stop. Now we're going to put these, this makes 12 muffins, and you can put this in paper liners like I have here, or you can grease them well and do that. But then I like to just use
super easy
the dipper because then they're all portioned right. And then we have 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, just a little bit of cinnamon, and put that on top.
Nice touch there.
They bake at 400 degrees for about 18 minutes. Use a wooden pick and make sure that they're done. But oh my goodness, they'll just melt in your mouth because they're full of those blueberries and lots of goodness.
Such a treat there. And if people want to find this recipe or anything else, where can they do so, Charlene?
They should go to kansassoybeans.org, and they can get all the recipes for September for National Breakfast Month, or they can also call our 800 number, 877-KS Soybean.
Wonderful as always, Charlene. Thank you so much, and stick around. We'll be right back.